What's going on with my YouTube friends? I am doing well, and I hope you are as well. I have been busy. I know I haven't been on in a few days, getting a lot of music done for a lot of publishers here, and it's going great. Just getting a lot of work done on that deal. And went to Lowe's, did a little bit of research on getting that couch bench built. We're going to be working on that here very soon. Window still not on the way, but it will be. And then I have to call this week and get the air conditioning started. That's gonna sometime this coming week, or maybe this week, start getting the ball rolling on getting some things in place to get that air conditioning. Because this we get summertime, this thing's gonna need an air conditioning unit in it. There's no lie, this thing will need an AC unit in it. But other than that, it's going great. That it is. The weather's been great. It has been awesome. I got a little over the weekend, some disc golf in. Didn't have a chance to take my camera, and I should have, but I will. In time, I'll get my camera and take it. I like playing disc golf. I don't get to play it enough, but you get good exercise, and I'd rather do it than regular golf. I just have to get better at throwing a frisbee, because I'm definitely not that accurate on it. But you know, like they said in anything, the more you do it, the better you get at it. And that you do. That's with anything we do, my friends. Anything we do. Other than that, things are going well. They really are. They're going great. But I will definitely film more when we get to building the couch bench. I haven't talked to Clancy. I don't know how it's going to go, whether I'm just going to go ahead and do it or maybe get him in on it. I probably want to. I think he is showing a little interest in wanting to do it, but all depends on his time. He's got a lot going on here with his job. He's still an essential worker with his job, as well as some other things he's got going on. So we'll see. Either way, it's getting done. And we'll find out pretty soon how challenging this air conditioning is. I think I mentioned that on these Cruise and Comfort air conditionings, most of you haven't heard of it. It's called Cruise and Comfort. They're in Phoenix, Arizona. Great company. Yeah, they're a bit pricey, but they're worth it. You got to have it. It runs on 12 volt, very efficient AC unit, and it's a must-have in any RV, really. If you want an AC that's efficient, that's not going to use a lot of power. If you're off-grid, you know, most of all. But there are no videos anywhere on the internet on how to install that. So I'm trying to get some folks out in Portland, Oregon that are going to be installing one. Somebody I follow on YouTube that's going to be putting one in a van of his, trying to get them to do a video so I can see what they're doing. But I don't think it's going to happen. I really don't. I don't think they're going to do it. We'll see. However, if they don't, I am. And I'm pretty sure I'll be the first on that. I'm pretty sure people that buy those AC units will be very appreciative of somebody doing an install video on this. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to talk in depth about that. And you'll definitely know more about what I'm going to be doing with the couch bench. And it'll help with my refrigerator. It'll be cool indeed on that. The window, it'll be a surface like flush slider. It'll have a screen, and that'll be cool. If I want to just open it and pull air out of the max fan, because what I've noticed with the max fan is that it's cool where it pulls air in, but it works better when you've got a cross breeze pulling air out. It's really cool. It actually pulls air more efficiently. It's cool, don't get me wrong, and it pulls air in between that fan and my max air. They work amazing. So we'll get it done. That we will. But anyway, I wanted to hop on and say hey, and I thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great one. Bye.